Hello, thank you for watching this video. With the following diagrams, I haven't figured out a way to confirm the SVG proof with an algebraic proof beyond 2D. Perhaps someone else is keen to prove the algebra. Using the pi divided by y rotating hypermetal decay formula, shown here, A becomes 20 and 2b becomes 30. Plugging that in to the second power, and then multiplying by x. Rotate pi divided by 2, multiply that by x, rotate pi divided by 2. Now we have x squared. Multiply x squared by x, rotate pi divided by 2, becomes x cubed. Repeat. This process can be done into infinity. Stopping at the fifth power. Now looking at it as a start to finish, halted, non-halting. Halted question. Pi divided by 2 rotation has two paths, 1 and 2. Now taking the formula and going to the third dimension, rotating by pi divided by 3 now, making the base unit, then constructing A equals 20 and 2b equals 30. Plugging that into the formula, multiplying by x, rotating pi divided by 3, multiplying that by x, rotate pi divided by 3, now becomes x squared. Multiplying by x gets us x cubed, rotate pi divided by 3, and continue the process into the point at infinity. Here's the first path, just done. So we start with the second path, and then finish with the first path. Here's listing all the different powers. Now looking at it as from start to finish. Halted, non-halting, halted, question. Pi divided by 3 rotation has two paths, the first and the second. Repeating this process for the fourth power. Rotate pi divided by 4 now. Get the base unit. Build A equals 20 and 2b equals 30. List all the way up to the 8th power. And start constructing the second path. Rotate pi divided by 4. First path, the start, and the finish. Pi divided by 4 rotation has two paths, the first and the second. As a y++ in pi divided by y rotation, two diagonal paths coexist. The first in 2D is in 3D and 4D, which is much shorter, into ad nauseam. The second, much longer, in 2D in 3D pi is 180 degrees. Y plus plus into infinity, expanding into pi divided by 5. The sixth dimension. Seventh. And the eighth. I hope you enjoyed the video. I have additional work on my Best Ape Instagram account. If you're interested in supporting my work, please visit my Best Ape Patreon account. Thank you. Bye.